I'm moving ahead. The next type of targeting, one is placement, second is keyword, the third type is topic. What is topic targeting and how it is different from placement targeting is that you don't have to go and select individual websites. Okay. What you can do is you can select the whole category in it. Okay, how you can select the whole category is very simple. What you have to do is, let's suppose in businessmen, I have to target, so I will select business and industrialist. Okay, and in that business service, business operation, you will see a lot of option which industry you want to target. Small business owners you want to target and the opportunity. Let's suppose I type owners. If you are not finding your option, you type it over here. Then Google will find it out, the option for you, if it is there. Okay. It says you don't have an option of targeting owners through topics because topic is something that is about the website. Okay. Topic is not something about an individual. Okay. That's why we can't target profession through a profession. We can target a specific industry. That is how it is different from other targeting options. So in your case, let's say you want to target loan. So I can target all the loan websites. Okay. Commercial lending. Okay. You want to target debt management, home financing. Okay. This is your category. Simple. Nothing to worry about. Personal loan, short loan. Okay. These loans, farming loans, vehicle loans, whatever you want to target, you can target it. This is how simple, easy. It will show on all the websites which are relevant to it. Okay. Give me a second. And in the topic targeting, I have selected digital marketing course. So let me remove that course. Okay. And then should be. So 47 million impressions you can get it under this category. Okay, this is third type of targeting option. The fourth type of targeting option is demographics. So you can target people based on gender, like who is your main audience, male, female, unknown. I don't know because most of the loan takers are males in India. That to be true. I'm not this uh, I'm not talking about racism here, but that is what the true condition is. Then who takes the loan between the age group of this age group till 54? Nobody takes loan after 65. I believe, I'm not sure. He must be knowing it.
Then you
Then definitely a parent take a loan. Maybe not a parent also take a loan. Who takes a loan? Who has the top household income of 10%, 20%, 30%? Who takes the loan? Okay, so you can define that. This is another type of targeting option. The next type of targeting option is critically very important. That is audience. What is audience? Primarily, audience is of three types over here. The first type is affinity and custom affinity. What does it mean? What their interest and habits are. Primarily, they are talking about the habits. Okay, over here. So, like my habit is of buying online food is very high. Like when post, like before COVID, I was ordering like almost every week, twice, thrice. That is my habit. I was ordering online grocery as well. That is my habit. So my interest area is shopping of specifically grocery and food. That is my interest area or habit. Second is second type of audience is in-market audience. What is in-market audience is what they are actively researching or planning. Like let's suppose I am like no, we don't have to suppose it. I'm planning to buy a MacBook because from last 3 days my system is hanging continuously, and I believe I'm still, it's a brand, Apple, who has created that their system doesn't hang, but their system do hang also. Okay, but I'm looking for such kind of thing. So that is, I am in market audience for Google for buying laptops. Okay. So if you are targeting these people who are looking to buy laptops, it's this category. If you are talking about interest and habit, it is this activity. The third category under it is remarketing. Means those people who have visited your website, app, you want to target them. You can target them through this third category. That is how they interact with your business on their website or on the app, or even they saw your ad as well. Okay. Then these are the targeting options. This is specifically for you, Aditya. So you can target people who are homeowners or who are renters. So this is a new category which has come recently. Homeowners means those who must be having a home loan. A lot of them will have, not, I'm not saying everyone will have. So it defines in 33 million audience, you will see a down of 6 million. So these people will be looking for home loans, or maybe people who are on rent. Okay, they may be looking for, because they are buying a new home, so they may be looking for a home. So your audience reduces, size reduces. This is primarily. Second is education level. You can target. Then their marital status and their parental status. Okay, these are the new additions which happened like in last 6 months, which you can target. So this is the fifth category, which has again 3 subcategories or 4 subcategories under it. So how many options you have? You have options of 5 ways to target your audience. Under 5 ways, audience has 4 options to target. And under placement, you have 3 options. You can target videos, you can target a website, you can target app. Okay, so these are the options of targeting, but how to do it? The biggest question.
Just small question.
Yeah.
So how will Google know all these demographics like gender and their interests there, whether they are a homeowner or rented or?
Google knows more than you, what you know about things.
Yourself.
It can tell you what you like. Like it can show me, it has shown me those ads like which kind of food should I order. Okay. So I leave it to Google, because I tell you, you are using those who are using an Android phone, every single detail you type in it is with Google, because Google owns this Google Play Store. This Android system, the OS is owned by Google. So they know every single thing about you. Okay, you are talking about gender. They know when you had a last fight with your wife. So that kind of knowledge they have. So it's just one simple: gender is the lowest concern for them. Age group, whether you are on rent or you have bought a property, they know every single detail. They can tell you your live, how should I say, your live account balance as well. Okay.
Rajiv here has mentioned Google is always listening. So whenever we are having fights,
I forgot. I have seen one image. I don't have it. It's a humorous image. Google listening. There was a specific name which was there.
Okay, I've got the point. I've got your point. Move on.
I will tell you some other day. I will forward you. It's like they are listening to every single. Whenever you start planning on WhatsApp, now that next week you will have a trip or something, the Google knows it in detail, every single thing before your friend knows. Okay, so that is the targeting option. Now, how will I target business owners in the case of digital marketing for Henry Harvin is uh, how I will find it out. First type of audience, how should I target? Again, all the business owners are not, how should I say, are not looking for digital marketing because a lot of people have their own teams, a lot of people have their own products, everything they have. Okay, they have large teams to handle it. So how do I identify out of these 10 billion impressions, which one should I target? So the first one is in-market audience. So I try to find the in-market audience, those who are looking to buy products. Okay, so let's go in search tabs and say just simple. Those who are looking for a digital marketing course. I typed it. Okay, so you can see intent audience automatically. Google has auto created this. Simple. So out of 10 billion, Google identified these people are searching right now. You can target them. Okay. First level, I identified that these must be my target audience. Okay. Then most of the people will be in age group of, as I'm targeting business owners, nobody become a business owner between 18 to 24 generally. Okay. I'm talking about journals. And those startup cases, they know digital marketing in and out. Okay. They don't come. Generally, I'm avoiding the age group between 24 to 34 also because these people again are very smart and know about it. But let's keep it. Okay, this is one audience I have from 3 billion. It has come to 1.5 billion. It's not necessary for you to select all of them. Why I'm selecting these is because I just want to show how it works. Okay, like I selected a keyword digital marketing page and select show only on web pages. Those are related to these keywords. Okay, done. So you got 1.1 billion audience. And if you have specific placements, I generally don't do. And you talk about uh, digital marketing. Okay. So no, this is not your audience. How should we identify business owners? Let's search it here. So we don't have an audience as such for business owners. So we can't really target business owners over here. We can target people who are searching for digital marketing course, who are in specific age group to avoid others age group. And then we are targeting on those, we will show our ads on those pages where digital marketing training keyword is coming. And if you want to select, you can select specific placement and all. This is how briefly you have selected all the audiences who are relevant for your particular product. Okay. We don't get business owners as such. So this targeting method, which we thought that we will find out business owners, was the wrong assumption because there is no such audience exists. Okay. And you have to find some other way of doing it. Like we have removed some audience like of different age groups that removes half of kachra. Okay, half of kachra means who's not my target audience. Maybe they are good customer for other target audiences as well, but not for us. Okay, another way of targeting I can't think of right now. Okay, so let it be, and this is your audience. Is that clear? How to make audiences? How to uh, jumble up a couple of options to get better audience instead of targeting 10 billion, and everyone is interested in your product. Uh, you will struggle for that. Now, Ranjana gave me a suggestion, valuable suggestion, that I can't search business owners, but maybe Google has named it as entrepreneurs. So let's type it, no harm. Okay, so this will talk about videos about entrepreneurship and all. No, maybe you can target them, but still I'm not finding it, these solutions very relevant which they are giving. Okay. Mm. Aditya says, I think you need to target what business owners search on Google. Maybe that is also a good option, but again, uh, what, because different entrepreneurs searching different things, different business owners searching different things, so you can't really target to that. But definitely, they are searching for business guides. They are searching for reading daily news, tech news, and all. So you can use those keywords to target them. That's a good option of refining your audience. Does that make sense to everyone? Okay.